but because in those very tense moments too, she remembered to give credit to her teacher, Rajalakshmi Madam. I guess even any one of us are in that spot, even though we are more educated, even though we are more exposed. I am sure not many of us would remember to give credit to our teacher. So that is why I am super duper proud of Harshni. Yes, of course, I am equally proud of our teacher, Rajalakshmi Madam. I guess this is the important contribution. This is the success of Rajalakshmi Madam and all the teachers. What we teach in this academics, physics result or math result, we might see immediately, but these values will shape up a person and they will be visible only 10 years later or 15 years later. And those are the values that are taught in Vignan. So that's why giving and saying this is the success of all the teachers and the values they have taught. In my previous videos also I have mentioned, language teaching is just not teaching syntax, grammar or nuances of language. It also goes beyond teaching many values. There are core values in particular lessons and life skills. That's when a particular lesson is complete. Say for example, there is a small story like one child, one girl is carrying her brother and climbing up a mountain. Then a gentleman asks her, by seeing her plight, if he can help and carry her brother. Then the young girl replies, yes, I am tired, but I do not consider my brother to be a burden, so I will not share with you. So this small story teaches children how to uphold responsibility, the importance of family values and so many other things. So that emotion, if I am able to empathize with that young girl as a student, if I can empathize with that young girl, then only my lesson is complete. That is what all the language teachers do. That is why Harshni also, when she mentioned Ma Rajalakshmi Madam, she didn't say Rajalakshmi Madam, Ma Rajalakshmi teacher. So that emotion is very, very important. I guess it comes from one culture of any institution. If I am doing something wrong, if I am not, it is not ingrained in the culture, and just like that academically I ask my teachers to do it, to teach values, it will never come. And of course the ambience, the people involved in it, all of us should think that this is our own institution, this is one team and we are all equal and they should happily do it. That's when this result comes. And of course what you have seen on the screen, there are many, many years of hard work, many, many hours of hard work behind that not many children or many parents know. All these teachers work very rigorously to understand the learning outcomes of each and every lesson. What is the inherent value in this particular lesson? What is that emotion that I have to take to the child? They work a lot to understand it and to make child understand it, to taking it to their level, making the child empathize that emotion and at the same time carry that emotion back home. I shouldn't just like that understand the lesson and leave it there, but I should also be able to carry that emotion back home. So this involves a lot of hard work. So that is exactly where our teachers or where our team has succeeded today. So I want to credit each and every teacher in Vignan today for this success, and all the best wishes to our student Ms. Harshini, and of course her father, and also our Rajalakshmi madam, all the credit to you. And for also coincidentally, she is my own Telugu teacher. So I have very, very fond memories with her. So I'm really, really glad that today I can talk about her like this, taking this situation. So thank you all.